Hello and welcome to my video which explains how to reverse strings using a recursive method. Now, in order to do this, we're going to have to write our recursive method. So let's start by writing the method header. Private string reverse string string. Now all this is saying is that we're going to input a string and output a string within our recursive method. Now in order to write this, we're going to follow our trusty 3 rules. 1. Write an if. 2. Handle the simplest case. And 3. Write the next recursive calls. Now let's start with step number 1. Write an if. If string.length equals 0. Now what you may notice about these type of recursive methods is that the if condition tends to be something equaling to 0. In this case, we've got the length equaling to 0 because we're looping through a string through all of the chars, and when the string length has reached 0, then that's when we want to stop and handle the simplest case, which is return string. Now we have the next recursive call, else. Return, reverse, calling the method within the method, string.substring 1 string.length and plus string.char at 0. Now, a quicker and simpler way to do this substring, because it's ending at the end of the string, as in the index at which the maximum index within the string. So if it was hello, we have 5 letters, we can just remove this. It's built into that method that removing that automatically brings it to the end of the string. So that's nice. Now in order to test this, we are going to declare the method within our main method. So reverse string reverse. String equals new reverse string bracket bracket semicolon system.out.println reverse string dot reverse hi. Let's see if that works. And ta-da, we've reversed hi. We have IH written down here in the console. So why does this work? Well, let us look at the little cycle we have over here. So initially we've input hi within the reverse method. So let's go through the if statement. If string.length equals 0, well, no. There's 2 chars within our string. So let's go to the else. Return reverse string.substring index 1 to the end of the string. So index 1 would be I, and the end of the string would be also I. So we are reversing this substring I, as is shown below. Okay, well, let's see what happens when we reverse that. Okay, if string.length equals 0, nope. Else, return the reverse of string.substring 1. Wait, we have nothing at index 1, so we are just left with an empty string. Okay, plus string.char at 0. Well, let's put that back into the reverse method. If string.length equals 0, oh, it does equal 0. Return the string. Return the empty string. Okay, now that we've completed that, we can go back to this from before. Plus string.char at 0, which was I, and plus string.char at 0 from the previous loop of this recursion recursive algorithm, which was H. So we're sort of digging within the algorithm, and we are forever stuck within this until the length of the string equals 0, and then we add in the char at zeros at the end. Let's see that with a different example. Hello, a bit more complicated. We've got 5 letters here. We've got it reversed, O-L-L-E-H. And we have it all laid out here within this PowerPoint. So we've put hello into our method. If string.length equals 0, no it doesn't, else return reverse of the string.substring 1 to the end of the string. Okay, that means we've taken all of the letters except from the first letter and we're left with hello. Okay, we're reversing that now. The length isn't equal to 0, but we are going to take all of those letters except from the first one and then reverse that, and then reverse that, and then reverse that. Oh, we're left with the length equaling 0. So we've got string.length equals 0, return the string, return the empty string. Now we can go back to our charats because we haven't completed those, have we? So the char at 0 from here was an O, so we're adding the O. Char at 0 from here was an L, so we're adding the L. Char at 0 from here was an L, so we're adding the L. Char at 0 from here was the E, so we're adding the E. And char at 0 from here was the H, so we're adding the H, and we've printed out the reverse version of hello. Now, I hope you understood that, and thank you for watching my video.